Hi, Christopher. I got your question. So Christopher asks that he's enjoying the session and his keyword planner looks different than what we show on the course. And he's asking if there are different interfaces, and he's sending me a screenshot. This is the screenshot he sends me. It's over here. So I would like to answer to that question. So this is the new AdWords. So you are looking at the new AdWords, and at this course we are still using the old AdWords. We're not using it. We're not doing it that because we don't want the new one. We want the new one. It's faster. It's better. But for now, it doesn't have all the options the old one has. So for now, we still work on the old AdWords because it has a lot of options that are not available in the new one. Don't worry if the new one is something really hot. We're going to update all the courses with the new AdWords. So you already have access to our course. Your access is lifetime. So if anytime you have any problems, you will come back to our course and check the features of the new AdWords. So until then, we use the old AdWords. It's much better because it has a lot of options we are used to, and they're really useful to create successful ads. So I'm going to show you how to come to the AdWords you can see on the course. First of all, you have to press on this tool on your upper side over here, and then select Return to Previous AdWords. So this is going back to previous AdWords, to the old version, which is really useful because you can see a lot of features. So here we are in the old AdWords. You can see the template we use on the course, and then here in Tools you have Keyword Planner. So you can find Keyword Planner over here, and you can use it as we show on the course. Of course, if you need any help on the keywords you want to target or the keywords you want to research, please send me a message with the keywords you want to search and the countries or the international targeting, and we're going to create an Excel for you based on Keyword Planner so as to send it to you and of course help you find out the right keywords for your AdWords campaigns, and then you can do the procedure we show on the course. So if you need any help on your AdWords and your keyword planner, we are here to help you every time. Just send us a message and we are always happy to help you.